Hello and welcome to today's video. So today we will be reviewing the exfoliating daily wash by Clean and Clear. So without further ado, let's get started. The product that we are going to review today, it is the Clean and Clear exfoliating daily wash, oil free, for clearer, smoother skin from day one, with natural exfoliators to unblock pores and help prevent breakouts. So it is UK #1 clear skin brand. It is by Johnson & Johnson. It is a 150 ml product. Flip it at the back. It says Clean and Clear exfoliating daily wash. The #1 Clean and Clear wash contains ultra gentle natural exfoliators that effectively remove dirt, oil and dead skin cells from pores to help prevent breakout. Skin is smoother and clearer from day one, suitable for sensitive skin. So direction is to wet your face, squeeze into hands, apply to face and massage gently. Rinse thoroughly. Caution: avoid contact with eyes. If eye contact occurs, rinse well with water. For external use only, do not apply on irritated skin. Keep out of reach of children. Let's open it up for you guys. So when you open, it's like this. And let's put some on our hand. So I don't know if you guys can see it. You have it. You have some particles in here. It is gritty. So yes, it is very gentle when you apply it on your skin. It is a really gentle exfoliator. You can see how it builds up so easily, and you have to go into circular motion. Now this is without water. With water it foams a lot. The good point about this product is that it is very smooth and soft on the skin. It does not strip away the oil of your skin. No, in fact it gives you a very fresh and glowy look afterwards. Whenever you just put it on your face, you exfoliate every morning. So I basically exfoliate from this product 2 times a day, that is 1 in the morning and 1 at night. And oh my gosh, this product has been a lifesaver. I have not switched brands since ages, since I discovered this product. So if you're suffering from sensitive skin, you have breakouts and you have oily skin, please go ahead and buy this product. This is not a sponsored ad, nothing at all. It's just a product that I love a lot, and I will promote the product as much as I can because I feel that many people struggle with products. So this one is oil free again, and it is great for people with combination to oily skin. Oh my gosh, yeah, I use this product daily. I have a combination skin, I would say, but mostly on the oilier side, so I cannot use a lot of product with oil based product. So this one is great. It is an exfoliating daily wash. It is oil free. It really reduced your pimple. I do not have many breakouts after using it. I do have 1 or 2 due to my hormonal changes, but otherwise I think it is one of the best products I've ever used in terms of oily skin, prevention of breakouts, unblocking pores, and also it does clear your skin. It makes your skin brighter every time you use it. So yeah. So this was our review on the Clean and Clear exfoliating daily wash. I truly recommend this product if you have oily skin or even mixed skin. So yeah, that's all we got for you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a big thumbs up, and yes, do not forget to click on the subscribe button as well as the little notification bell to be notified every time our video comes up. Till next
Take care.